When it comes to boosting the value of your home in Scott, few upgrades are as effective as replacing old, outdated windows. Homebuyers today are looking for energy efficiency, comfort, and style, all of which can be delivered through modern window replacement. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to build long-term equity, updating your windows is a smart investment that pays off in multiple ways. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your home's windows are one of the first things people notice. Faded frames, foggy glass, or outdated designs can make even a well-kept house appear neglected. By installing new windows, you instantly refresh the look of your property. In Scott, where traditional and modern home styles blend, choosing windows that complement your architecture creates a polished, inviting appearance. Sleek vinyl, elegant wood-clad, or low-maintenance fiberglass options can all elevate curb appeal. A home that looks fresh from the outside naturally attracts more interest from potential buyers, which can translate into higher offers. Increased energy efficiency. One of the most significant benefits of window replacement is improved energy efficiency. Older windows often allow drafts, leading to higher utility bills. Modern windows are built with advanced technologies such as double or triple panes, low emissivity coatings, and insulated frames. These features help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your home cooler during hot Scott summers and warmer during chilly winters. Buyers today are increasingly eco-conscious and mindful of long-term savings. A home with energy-efficient windows stands out in the market, signaling lower monthly expenses and a smaller environmental footprint. This makes your property not just more attractive, but more valuable. Improved comfort and functionality. Comfort is another factor that adds to property value. Draft-free interiors, reduced noise pollution, and better natural lighting all contribute to a more enjoyable living space. Replacement windows offer smoother operation, allowing you to open and close them with ease. Some even tilt in for easier cleaning, a feature buyers love. In Scott's growing neighborhoods, quieter interiors are especially appealing. High-quality windows can block out traffic sounds, ensuring a peaceful home environment. This improved comfort can significantly increase buyer interest and willingness to pay more for your property. Stronger home security. Today's replacement windows are designed with security in mind. Reinforced frames, secure locking systems, and impact-resistant glass provide better protection against break-ins. For families in Scott, enhanced security offers peace of mind and adds measurable value to a home. When buyers see upgraded safety features, they are often willing to stretch their budgets to secure a property that feels safer. Better return on investment. According to national real estate reports, homeowners typically recoup a large portion of their window replacement costs when selling, sometimes as much as 70% to 80%. In Scott's competitive housing market, that return can be even higher. The combination of energy savings, improved curb appeal, and modern functionality gives your home a clear edge. For homeowners not planning to sell right away, the benefits continue. Reduced energy bills and fewer maintenance costs provide ongoing savings, while your home continues to build equity over time. Tailored style options for Scott homes. One of the best parts of upgrading your windows is the ability to customize them to match your taste and your home's design. From large picture windows that flood living rooms with natural light to charming double-hung styles that suit classic Scott houses, the options are extensive. Adding custom grid patterns, decorative glass, or bold frame colors lets you put a personal touch on your investment while boosting overall property appeal. Final thoughts. Window replacement is more than just a home improvement project, it's an investment in the long-term value of your property. In Scott, where buyers are looking for homes that balance beauty, efficiency, and comfort, new windows check all the boxes. By upgrading, you not only enjoy a better living environment today but also secure a stronger return when it's time to sell. If you're looking for a practical way to enhance your home's worth and make it stand out in the market, window replacement is one of the smartest moves you can make.